Hello friends, today we will talk about normal class versus singleton class. So what is the normal class? Normal Java class. Normal Java class is a class of which you can make multiple objects. Let's start with coding itself. Here I have created one project and as you know with the default project we get the main class default. Now I am creating new class, and to understand the OOPS concept the best example is always vehicle. Let's make the vehicle class. This will be our normal Java class. Okay. Now here I make the constructor of this vehicle class. I can type manually, or there is one more way. Just do the alt insert internet. So this is its public constructor. Okay. When we will create the object of this vehicle class and we use the new keyword, it directly hit the constructor of this vehicle class. Okay. Let's make one property of this vehicle class. Let's make the property property. Okay. These are so this property will tell us the age of our vehicle. Now let's go to our main class and create the object of vehicle class. Vehicle car, go to new vehicle, control D, that is to duplicate the line, vehicle bus, vehicle mode. Okay. Now if I give the age of car object 2 and print out the age of this car object, car age. So car dot age. Okay. Let's build the project. Now you can see the car age is 2. Okay. Now let's again control D. Bus age. As you have seen that I have created 3 objects of vehicle class. So bus age, boat age. Again build the project, run. So you can see the car age is 2, which I have defined, which I have given the age 2 to the object of car. Car object only changed, but the bus and boat object is still same, and integer by default value is always 0, so those are not changed. One more thing we can do here, we can print out the hash. Car dot hashcode, same I copy, bus dot hashcode, same I copy for boat dot hashcode. Build the project, run the project. You can see all the hash codes are different. Hash code is to identify the object. So because our class is vehicle, but all 3 objects are different, so all hash code is different. Now we come to the singleton. What is the singleton? Singleton is mainly that if I want to create only one object of any class, in normal case you seen for vehicle class I have created 3 objects, but now I want to create single one object. if I create more object of that class, it won't be possible. Let's start by coding. For real life example, we can think of any country current president. Only one president is possible, so let's take that example. Current US president. Okay. So let's make this class Singleton. What is the thumb rule of to make the class Singleton? Make the constructor private. Why we are making the constructor private? So that we can't access this outside this class itself. Okay. Now here also I give one property, age of president. Okay, for our testing purpose. So now when we are going to make the Singleton class, there is two ways. One is called the early initialization. Let's start with the first approach, that is called the early initialization. Early initialization. Here I create static object of this class itself. Okay. Now you have seen, as our constructor is private, now let's go to main and try to create the object of this Singleton class, current US president, by making it with the help of new keyword. Now it is not possible. What error it gives us? It's clearly saying us that the constructor is private. So how to make the object of Singleton class? There is way, that is called the family method. We have to create one family method. That method will be public static, the object class name itself, and here you can give any name of that family method. I am giving the name getInstance, and return the global variable that you made. This is the first approach. Now instead of new, what you will do, current US president dot getInstance. Okay. Now for testing, let's give it the age. I think age is private, that's why I am not able to access it there. Now I will be able. Suppose my current US president age is 50. Okay. Let's printed this system.out.println current president age. Let's build the project. You can see our current president age is. Here we had only one object. Let's create more object of this Singleton class. I created two more objects, current president 2, current president 3, and here I print out president 2 age, president 3 age, president 2 age, current president 3 age. Let's build the project and run it. Now you can see I only changed the age of current president object. I didn't change the age of object current president 2 and current president 3. Still it's giving me the same value which I assign in current president. Why? This is because we are creating the object of singleton class. So this refer to only single one class. Okay. Now let's print out the hash code also. So if I print the hash code of current president to same for current president to and current president 3. Let's build the project and run. Now you can see the hash code of all three objects is same. Okay. So hope now you understand what is the singleton. So we talked about one approach of early initialization. Now we will talk about the other approach of that is called the lazy initialization. I'm commenting this code. What is the basically lazy initialization? Why I am creating the object unnecessary when I don't need it? So that's why I am just making it null. I will create only when I need it. How? If current president is equal to null, then only create the object. This is the lazy initialization. Now in main class we don't need to change anything. We have changed in the our singleton class. What did we change? Instead of initializing the object in starting, we are making it null and initializing only when it is null. So when this code will come again by get instance, it will check if already it has the some object holding, then it will return the same, otherwise it will create new. So this is the basically it is singleton. In our future classes we will talk about more complex things like polymorphism and other things. So guys, hope you like this video and understood what is the singleton and what is the difference between singleton and normal class. Thank you.